Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, just wanted to let you guys know, wanted to say sorry for the lack of uploads lately. It's just with the status of the world, what's going on, not really much going on. I mean, can't really go out and do car stuff. Can't really, I don't know, can't do much at all, really. So I didn't, we talked about it and we didn't want to just turn out videos, just crap videos for the sake of turning out videos. But today, we got an exciting one. Today is a big day. Been waiting on this for about, I don't know, 10 days or so, 10 to 14 days. So, let me show you guys first. This car right here, my car, not that car, my car. This car's been sitting like this for about, I don't know, over a week. No front end, no bumper. And I've been waiting, patiently waiting. But in that car right there, yeah, I put some stuff in there. What do we got here? Yeah, I stuffed this whole thing in here. I removed the seat and everything. So what we have here is a 7.7 Performance GT500 style bumper. And it's got a whole shitload of pieces. So this is basically going to be a puzzle. I got to figure out how to put this thing together. So let's get it out of the car. We'll get it out, put it out here in the grass. It's all spread out, and then try to figure out how many pieces we have, and I guess how the hell am I going to put this thing together. Alright guys, so I got everything out. That's a lot of stuff for a freaking bumper. So, I don't know, let's just count how many pieces. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
17 pieces. God damn. No wonder they charge like $100,000 for a damn GT500. It's got like 1 million pieces in it, I guess. But, I'm ready to put this together. It's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be, I'm excited. This is pretty cool where I think it gives you the option, I guess, if you want this color match to your bumper, then you put the insert here. This snaps right in there, and then you could have that black, and it gives you that the offset color, where you can have it with the black and whatever color your car is. So that's pretty cool. I just want to tell you guys a little bit of a backstory on this bumper. These bumpers have been basically, if you know anything about the 777 guys, I guess they just came out with this bumper, but people have been waiting on this bumper for a while. It's been good, I don't know, 7, 8 months, a year, I guess. I don't know how long exactly. But honestly, I wasn't even planning on buying this bumper. I was happy when it was a 350 bumper. It seemed like it just kind of I don't know, kind of just happened. Buddy of mine, Kyle, he let me know that his buddy, Jamin, which he has a badass Z06 C6 vet. His buddy Jamin, he used to own a Mustang, and he had pre-ordered this, and since then he got a vet now. So I got in contact with him, and he told me, if you want it, when it comes in, we'll figure it out. And that was like maybe 3 or 4 months ago. And then finally, I guess I hit him up maybe 2 weeks ago just to check in. Hey, what's up with the bumper? And he's like, he still didn't even know about it. And I think he hit me up about 10 days ago. And he said, hey, the bumper's in. Daphne, Strictly Royal, a good friend. She's dealing with the 777 now. She's a dealer for them. So she kind of set up the deal. And she got me his bumper. And this is where we're at. So I want to thank, Daphne, Strictly Royal, and Jamin. He basically sold it to me for basically what he paid for it. All right, enough talk. Let's get this thing together. I want to get this on the car. All right, guys. So I started this about 6 p.m. and it is right now 10:46. So it took a long time. What? Almost 5 hours. And it was a guessing game. Thank God Daphne at Strictly Royal made a video, and just to somewhat have a reference guide, because no instructions. This is I don't know who's in charge of this, but having no instruction on something, this I don't know how you say it. It's not elaborate. I don't know. Just with this many pieces, we'll say that. With this many pieces, it's kind of a pain in the ass because you're basically guessing everything. And they should really include some kind of instructions on this, because it's just a lot of little intricate little small pieces that you're kind of like, I don't know where this goes, and you kind of just have to search around till you finally figure it out. But fitment is good, quality is good, the stuff is good. It's a good quality bumper, and I like it more than my Anderson composite one that I had, the 351, the GT351 I had before. So I do like it, but I could give it like an A for quality, but like an F for basically no instructions and no way of trying to figure this out. I'm gonna drop the link to the video of Daphne's video to this video. If anybody buys it, that's probably your best reference guide. I didn't want to do instructional video. One, because I would have been a lot of just cussing and screaming. I'd be like, believe me, it wasn't pretty. And it was aggravating. It aggravated the hell out of me because, you expect something to, when you get something new, you expect, at least, I'm not always Mr. Gun-ho instructions, but Jesus Christ, when you got that many pieces, at least you need some kind of reference. So, alright, so that's where we're at, guys. It's too dark outside right now to really reveal it. So, we'll go ahead and reveal it in the morning when we have some good light. And I'm finally going to drive this car. I'm going to drive to work tomorrow because I haven't driven this car like in 10 days. So, and that's where we're at. And I hope you guys like it. And we'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, so it's day 2. Got to drive the car to work today and actually see it. The bumper in the sunlight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a nice bumper. And it's a good quality piece. I'll give it that. I wish it would have been better when it came to instructions and stuff like that, but I mean, it's what it is. They're a new company. I guess they have to learn that. But really good quality. Really happy with it. And let's take a look. Tell me what y'all think.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
It's just really good quality. I mean, compared to especially my last bumper, this one's urethane. My last one was fiberglass, but just overall, it just looks better, clean, and so aggressive. Just really happy with it. Fitment is good. The only part where fitment is a little bit of an issue is right here, and I got a little bit of scratch here, so I'm gonna have to tell my boy to fix that for me, but that's not a big deal. But I like the clear came off. Anyways, see, has a little bit of a gap, which I knew that was gonna happen. Daphne had told me, so it wasn't a surprise. She said the corners are gonna have a little bit of a gap, so and it does. You can see right here, it has the same, but they're even gaps, so it's not an off looking thing. But as you can see, man, I'm really happy with it. I could live with that little bit of a gap. The clips, if you're a 15 through 17 owner, you know about the clips here. Most of you guys break them. I've never broken mine in the past 5 years, but yet they give you replacement ones to run with this bumper. I don't know why. I don't know what's the difference. I couldn't tell any difference between the ones they gave me and the ones that and the stock ones. But I put on the ones they gave me, and I ended up breaking the piece of one. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably do the quick connect clips, little push pins like I have in my hood pins, and I'll probably do those, and just to make sure I don't want to worry about it. And I drove the car pretty hard today, and they didn't come out, but right now it's just held on by the clips on each one and the screw. But overall, I'm happy with it. It really turned out well, and this is I don't know. This wasn't, something I was really expecting to do, and I'm really happy I did. So, but yeah, look at that. Look at that. And I don't want to hear. GT500 bumper on the G6. Oh, how could you? How could this? If you put it on a GT, you're doing the same shit. So I don't want to hear that. So, they make them for a reason. It's for the car, not the engine. All right, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I wasn't gonna do a how-to video because I ain't doing how-tos on something that I don't know the how-to. So I'm gonna link Daphne's video on the description of this video, and anybody buys that bumper, you just go over to, if you watch this video, you can go over to her channel and check out her how-to, and just go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys really like this bumper. If you do, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.